Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone! Has the CEO of Binance grown into the largest Shiba Inu whale? We have some exciting news about Shibs today. At the time of writing, the overall market cap for all cryptocurrencies was $837.59 billion, up 1.97% from the previous day. This information is derived from CoinMarketCap, a website that tracks the cryptocurrency market. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, two of the most well-known meme tokens, have also seen price increases in the past day. This video will discuss the recent news that the CEO of Binance has become the largest Shiba Inu whale. Latest updates about Shiba Inus. To stay up to date on our Shiba Inu price predictions and analysis, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will start the video without further ado. With a daily rise of 1.24%, Doge has surpassed SHIB and is now the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, elevating its value to $0.08241. Additionally, Doge's price has risen 0.18% compared to Bitcoin BTC, but down 2.1% compared to Ethereum ETH. In the past day, the price of SHIB has increased by 0.26%. Because of this, its price has increased to $0.000904 USD. The value of SHIB has declined by 0.85% and 3.1% in comparison to Ethereum and Bitcoin, the two most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. After a string of interest rate hikes and the collapse of major crypto firms like Celsius, Terra Luna, and FTX, 2018 was a disastrous year for the traditional financial markets as well as the cryptocurrency markets. Thus, investors can rebalance their portfolios and buy cryptocurrencies at a discount in 2023. If we compare SHIB with Doge, we may find that Doge has a better year in 2023. This is due to the fact that Elon Musk, also known as the Doge father, is involved with Doge in some way. The price of Doge is expected to rise in the next months due to Musk's acquisition of Twitter. On the other hand, SHIB's lack of practicality may be the driving force behind the meme token's poor performance in 2023. Despite the probable disappearance of billions of dollars from FTX's coffers, the firm charged with tracing assets of the defunct cryptocurrency exchange has announced that it has recovered $740 million in assets thus far. BitGo, a cryptocurrency custodial service, revealed the amount in court files on Wednesday. BitGo was hired by FTX just hours following the company's bankruptcy earlier this month. For many FTX users, the question of what happens to their invested funds is the platform's main concern. According to CBS Money Watch's experts, clients can end up waiting years if not forever to get their money back. When former CEO and founder Sam Bankman-Fried and his associates gambled with customer funds at Bankman-Fried's trading firm Alameda Research, FTX collapsed. Since November 16, when the $740 million number was first reported, further assets have been recovered at a steady rate. As the crypto world witnessed the collapse of one of the biggest exchanges in the space of a week, FTX's bankruptcy sent shockwaves. Possible securities breaches have prompted investigations in the United States and overseas into the firm and Bankman-Fried. Just days after FTX's U.S. bankruptcy, securities officials in the Bahamas, the country of its headquarters, seized a portion of the company's assets. Issues with FTX were revealed to a group of investors earlier this month by Bankman-Fried. About $8 billion was required by the business to secure the cryptocurrency holdings of its customers. Earlier this month, as worries about FTX's liquidity grew, customers withdrew about $5 billion in a single day, causing the cryptocurrency equivalent of a bank run. On Wednesday, Bankman-Fried announced his intention to attend a New York Times event on November 30th via Twitter. All of BitGo's recovered assets are currently housed in South Dakota's cold storage, where they are protected from internet access and kept on offline hard drives. BitGo offers what the state of South Dakota calls certified custodian services. Not only are Ethereum and Bitcoin among the recovered assets, but so are a number of lesser-known cryptocurrencies with varying degrees of appeal, such as the Shiba Inu coin. The state of California. In the past, BitGo has been successful in reclaiming and protecting assets. They were given the responsibility of protecting funds following the 2014 failure of the cryptocurrency exchange Mano Diaz. Additionally, the El Salvadoran government's assets are controlled by the business. A Twitter account called Shiba Inu has reached out to Elon Musk, requesting that he address a pressing matter concerning the growth of content theft and put a stop to imitators profiting from the new Twitter that Musk is currently developing. The account monitors Shiba Inu transactions on Etherscan and shares them on both its website and Twitter. Shibburn made this request at the same time that Musk reiterated his earlier announcement that Twitter authors of both text and video content would soon be receiving increased compensation. A large number of accounts have been found to copy content from Shibburn transactions and then pass it off as their own. Shibburn informed Musk and the entire Twitter community about this. Copycats shouldn't be able to profit off of other people's hard work, according to the Shib-focused account. How to handle this instance of plagiarism is fantastic. Hundreds of copycat accounts have been found to have plagiarized and stolen our stuff. They should think twice if they may profit from the work of others. November 22, 2022 at Shibburn. On Wednesday, Shiba Inu made an intraday 8% rise, trading at $0,009. A little improvement in crypto mood was reflected in the gain. There was a lot of green space for cryptocurrency trades. Ethereum's value increased by 7% and Bitcoin's value by 5%. The Shiba Inu community has nonetheless seen some noteworthy growth. Lead Shiba Inu developer Satoshi Kusama shared some good Bitcoin news on November 22nd. Kusama announced Shiba Inu's invitation to collaborate with the World Economic Forum on international issues in a Twitter post. With Shiba Inus already making their way into the metaverse, that may indicate one involving that realm. The post wanted to know what Shiba owners thought about the idea of cryptocurrencies collaborating with the international organization. The initiative had the backing of a whopping 65% of respondents. As Shiba Inu strives to create a practical use for its meme-labeled coin, it is encouraging to see it join the WF. Obviously, this is a long-term project, so we'll have to see how it develops. The biggest Ethereum holders, known as whales, now have less than $17 million worth of SHIB. Nevertheless, 6,000 more people have become token holders recently. On the daily chart, SHIB is generally trending downwards. Despite a little cooling off, the MACD indicator still shows bear momentum. After an RSI reading of 35, so close to selling, SHIB is also making a comeback. Since June, the token has either recovered or consolidated every time SHIB has approached this level. An RSI rating of 41 right now is below the middle. Thus, there are plenty of sellers. The price of SHIB would benefit from a reversal close to the oversold area. Still, SHIB is at risk because the trend is negative. Gains that last need is SHIB to break through a little barrier at the 0.00009. If this level can be overcome, the 0.0001 and 0.000012 levels will remain within reach. The probable downside support level should a SHIB's prospective recovery fail is around 0.0000000000. Many of Musk's devoted followers mimic his trades and investments in cryptocurrencies and take his advice. Musk is well known for his cryptocurrency investments. His devotion to the meme coin market is well documented, and he has generously endorsed Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency based on memes about dogs. In 2020, the Shiba Inu was born. It drew inspiration from the success of Dogecoin and based its coin on the Shiba Inu dog. It has quickly risen to the position of market 2 for meme coins. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Shiba Inu's native currency, Shiba, offers different layers of safety compared to Dogecoin. Shiba Inu could be the next meme cryptocurrency to be accepted by Twitter, given that Dogecoin is the second most popular meme coin. Meme coins are popular with Elon Musk. In light of all the recent developments, Musk is likely to include Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as possible platform currencies. This may pave the way for additional meme coins to enter the market. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.